Can't install third-party apps on your SuperBox S7 Pro? Here's the quick fix. Have you ever tried installing a third-party app on your SuperBox S7 Pro and it just wouldn't work? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable unknown sources on your SuperBox S7 Pro so you can install the apps you want in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, on your SuperBox S7 Pro, or any SuperBox version, go to Settings, System Settings, Device Preferences, About. Before anything else, make sure your SuperBox S7 Pro is running the latest Android version. Now, scroll down until you find Android TV OS build. Here's the important part. Click on Android TV OS build 7 times. Once you've done that, you'll see a notification saying, you are now a developer. Here's where the magic happens. Go back a few steps to Device Preferences, scroll down, and select Restart. After your SuperBox S7 Pro restarts, go back to Settings, Apps. Then scroll down to Security and Restrictions, or a similar option depending on your SuperBox version. You'll now see Unknown Sources. This is where you have full control over your apps on the SuperBox S7 Pro. Allow apps you trust. Disable apps you don't trust. You'll see a complete list of installed apps. Some apps may not need automatic updates, so you can leave them off. For apps you use regularly, make sure updates are enabled to keep everything running smoothly. Quick reminder, only enable unknown sources for apps you trust. And that's it! Your SuperBox S7 Pro is now ready to install third-party apps without any issues. If this quick SuperBox S7 Pro tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another SuperBox tip, trick, or troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.